Hey Trevor, can you read me the pressure over there?
Oh yeah. Oh crap, that's hot.
Uh-oh. You burned yourself. Let's fill out an accident report.
I guess go.
So, Trevor and Chris, glad we have you here today. We just need to figure out what happens in this terrible accident and Trevor's hand got burned. So, just before we start, is there anything I can get you guys? Food or drink?
I'm okay,
I'm good. Thank you, though.
Alright, so Trevor, we're here today because you appeared to have burned yourself on the heat exchanger after grabbing the pressure gauge. Now, could you explain to me what you were doing right before the grabbing of the pressure gauge?
Well, me and Chris here were just working on the experiment like normal. Everything was running like normal, and he asked me to read the pressure gauge number 2, and I went over to read it, and I reached up and grabbed the pressure gauge, and it burnt my hand.
So you say you were just running the experiment normally when Chris asked you to get a pressure reading from pressure gauge 2, and that's when you actually grabbed it to read it?
Yep.
So Chris, you're the team safety operator for this experiment, correct?
Yes. Now, I actually didn't see the accident happen. I had my back turned, getting ready to write down the pressure gauge reading, and all I heard was, "Ow, that's hot." And all I said was, "Oh, did you burn yourself?"
Alright, Chris and Trevor, thank you very much for being here today. You provided me with excellent information. I think we're going to be able to prevent this type of thing from happening in the future. Do you guys have any recommendations for teams in the future?
I would recommend to assume that all pipes are hot, and maybe to be a little more cautious whenever you're dealing with the heat exchanger.
That's pretty much it.
Excellent.
Which one of y'all lousy maggots touched the heat exchanger?
It was him.
So it was you. Why in tarnation would you do such a thing? I didn't mean to. You probably weren't even paying attention. Now what was running through your head when you thought you'd be okay to touch that pressure gauge? I didn't mean to. It's easier to hold on to, I figured.
Spaghetti, and then...
I'm going to ignore what you said, and you just go write your incident report. Oh.